Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you one other Python package which can actually generate a pencil sketch or cartoonify your input image. You can generate a cartoon version of your image for completely free. So let me first of all show you an example right here. So we take an input image like this. You will see this is our input image we are taking, and now we just need to generate a cartoon version or a pencil sketch of this. So once I execute this Python script, it will create a new file which will be a sketch darken.jpg. So let me just take a different image, for example. So what can I do? I can ask ChatGPT for this because our output is not looking good. So what I can do, I can paste this, and I've given the script in the description. So ChatGPT, you can see it will tell you what is the issue that you're facing. The output is image being completely white. So it will suggest some fixes, and then you can apply these fixes to just copy this. So again, try this. So now you can see it will generate your pencil sketch successfully. So I have given this source code. I will update this source code. So again, let me take a different image, for example. So in this way, you can see ChatGPT will is a very useful tool in terms of coding because it can correct the mistakes, and you can see. So in this way, you can generate this very simply. This pencil sketches. It looks really cool. You will see it's a drawing pencil sketch, or it changes to cartoon version of the image. So now let me show you step by step how it is built. So first of all, you need two modules for this. First of all, you need, if you go to the Python website, just search for this Sci-kit, I think, yeah, SCI kit. So you need this one, and the second one is NumPy. So after this, you need to simply import these two libraries, which are like this. After that, we specify the input image, and then we convert this into grayscale image, which is black and white version, using this function. And then we will apply this filter, which is the Sobel filter. After that, we will invert this image like this, the NumPy package, and then we'll converting this to 8-bit, the darken version. So that's all. So this is the overall script. That's all that is required here. Let me delete this and rerun this. You will once again it will generate the pencil version of this image. So I have given the script, guys, in the description of this video, so you can actually use this to generate these pencil sketches. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.